What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, George has freaking spoke. It is about time, man. A lot of great stuff to go to this video. Just going to be super excited. The market's bloody. I don't even care. Seeing this tweet from George, responding back to our buddy Dave on Twitter, has the smile. That's right. Take a picture of that. That smile. All right, man. So let's get in here and talk about it. Just super excited for this video. So first, we're talking about that ticker symbol MMTLP, which, as you know, is a little controversial because this was never supposed to be traded, but you can go in on like a Fidelity and buy this on the OTC market. It's going to cost you $1.91. We have been waiting to hear something from George, and we actually heard something from George today. Here we are on George's official Twitter page, and we're going to scroll down here. 25 minutes ago, this was posted. George here, it says, "Hi, Dave." Our buddy Dave here. Right there. Posted right there. Dave. "Our team is diligently working towards resolving the dividend, which involves multiple parties. We appreciate everyone's patience. Mmat." Holy freaking smokes, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Now, a couple key things we've got to take from this tweet here from George. The team is diligently working towards resolving the dividend. Keep that in mind. He said dividend, not a spinoff. He said resolving the dividend, which involves multiple parties. Now, that gets me thinking off the top of my head that there's possibly more than one buyer for this Oro Grande land and Torchlight land. So we had yesterday's video. We talked about John Berta saying that in his tweet that he hasn't sold a single share. He hasn't sold a single preferred share. And George here is saying before the meeting tomorrow on the 3rd, I believe it's 11 a.m., I believe our boy Sterling is going to go live for that event. So make sure you go follow Sterling on YouTube. He's going to be covering that shareholder meeting, and maybe they'll have some answers for it. But George is kind of spilling the beans early, and we like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these comments we got. This thing has 334 likes already. It was just posted, guys. Like I said, literally 20-30 minutes ago. Already 52 retweets, and it's just going to go up. We got our buddy Jay Bridge here. "So glad I've taken a journey and met so many fantastic people. We have all climbed on the Mmat. Make it the Friday to remember." Yes, absolutely. Now here's some great, what am I gonna call it? Great worksmanship here by my buddy Wedge. And here Wedge says, "I told you he's Santa." And you can see Wedge did this great editing and made George's face on Santa Claus there. That is beautiful. So the secret identity is George as Santa Claus, going to be bearing out gifts on this preferred share dividend. So right here, Rod said dividend, not a spinoff. Also, that can mean multiple parties overseeing the transaction. Who knows? Which is true. Stock expert, thank you, George. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. And Jay Bridge, tomorrow's going to be a great day. Here, Jay Bridge told Dave, the guy there, "Bro, I think you should add more shares now." Can I fill up on Torch Asset Dividends rocket fuel? Man, this is just like amazing stuff. Dave did comment back. "Thank you, George. I knew you'd come through and let the Meta family know everything was under control. Good luck tomorrow. And congrats to Miss Kieta for joining the Meta team." Yes. Just super excited that we got George to acknowledge the dividend. Yes, we haven't heard him say a darn thing. And now we got him at least acknowledging the dividend. That there is going to get people excited. That there is going to get people motivated. That there is going to get people to dig up money from wherever they can and buy this special dividend, buy the preferred share, maybe even buy some Mmat stock. But as we said, with Mmat stock falling, as we've been preaching this, with Mmat stock falling, the best thing George could do is give out a slamming, banging dividend, because we get that dividend, we buy back Mmat stock, and we squeeze the freaking hedge funds. We torch the shorts. So I think we got that covered now, guys. Also, real quick on my page, if you're not following me, go follow me at TerryZ24 Twitter. Terry Z. Oh my God, I can't even speak. I'm so excited. At TerryZ247 on Twitter, the official. Here I did retweet where John Berta talked about where he says he ain't sold anything. So you can go read everything here on my page, guys. You can check that out. All right, guys. So now we're going to touch base here on Fintel, and we're under the insider trading. And I must say, we got some updates here, and I think Fintel might have this corrected, but I don't want to speak too soon. So we'll see if Smokey can come in here and run those numbers again and see if this is correct, if it's wrong, because I don't want to give out false information. But here it's showing that insiders now hold 75 million shares. Insider ownership is 26.68%. The insider ownership, which is, I guess, the float version, is 53.68%. They give us an insider score of 9.56. So that's really low insider accumulation score. So I'm not really sure on how they judge all that. But if we look down here, you can see there's where John Berta has his 1.8 million shares owned. And you can see over here was Mr. Thomas Welch at 23 million. But you got to be careful because then it has Ann Lambert at 23.5 million as well. Because they're married, you can't add them both. I believe it's both the same with George and Nadine as well. But this here seems to be a more accurate number, I think. So we'll have to see if Smokey catches this out. Maybe he'll get us some more updated information on that. So yeah, this is updated. I think this is more accurate that we got 26.68% of insider ownership. So now let's go take a look at the, let's go here, let's go to the short interest. Let's see what's happening in the short interest. What are they doing here to us? So short squeeze score is 75.52. Now we're ranked 292. We were in the 300, so we did come down a little bit. So is here the short shares that are available are 1.3. So it looks like they did return some today. Whether they were shorted, I don't know. Short bar fee did go up a little bit at 1.65. Well, it's hanging around the same, 1.7, 1.6. Looks like today, yesterday on the first, they don't even have the second yet. Wow. It was a 53.36, still pretty high, but a little lower than what it was the day before. And our combined short volume ratio was a 56. And now we're showing roughly about 16% interest, of short interest on the percent of the float. And let's go look at institutional owners. Says we're about 14.88% there. Ownership score is a 32.62. Let's go take a peek if we got any new buyers. No new buyers since the 29th. And let's go just take a peek at the sellers. And no new sellers since the 22nd. So yeah, there it is, guys. That's pretty much the updates I got for you today. Like I said, I just wanted to bring this update that George talked about the divvy. Like I said, you go follow me here on Twitter at TerryZ247. Right here is where we talked yesterday in that video about John Berta, which is the Torch Light CEO. Talked about how he ain't selling anything. So very key stuff there. And now we got George. You can see the loves are just flying up here on this post from George. And people's retweeting and loving it. And it's just getting all kind of attention. So to me, the dividend's around the corner. Is this thing going to be $10? Is this thing going to be $20? Is it going to be $30? Is it going to be $35, $40, man? Whoo! It's getting exciting. As we know, oil, I think, came back up. They're projecting oil to be like $150 a barrel with the way the economy is and stuff. So, I don't know, man. I hope George and them get a good deal on this land and the oil, and we get some payday, because if we get even, I don't know, like I said, for me, I guess $7.24 on Allie's Trading Secrets post on Twitter, which I think I have that down here. Yeah, right here, Trading Secrets. If you don't follow him on Twitter, go follow him, guys. He has a contest right now. If you guess the exact dividend to the penny, he's going to give you $100. So I commented on there. I guessed my birth date, which is $7.24. Like I said, for me, anything over $5 is going to be a win. But I mean, he's predicting $13.65. I'll be tickled. We got Roller Pigeon. I think she's guessing around like $35. So I'll be just blown away if we get $35. Yeah, so the dividend is getting exciting, man. As I said, MMTLP's been hanging up there. So got that thing from George. Oh my God, it's so exciting, guys. So hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Like I said, go check out Sterling tomorrow, guys. Going to be live streaming the shareholder meeting. I'll be at work at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So I'll get to probably skim it on my lunch break to see if anything's happening. I'm sure I'll find out if the price goes crazy or the preferred, dividend gets announced or anything. We'll see portfolios either going beat down or blown up crazy and, going green. So hopefully we get some good news out of the shareholder meeting tomorrow. So if not, just keep in mind, guys, you heard from George. They're working out the deals right now. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. And I'll catch you all in the next video, guys. Peace.